This is our central marketplace, KeysetGo by Earl, Thuy, and Miguel. Our architecture supports three independent partner marketplaces, each running its own database with the same three-table schema: products for the catalog, reviews for user ratings and comments, and user page views for visit tracking. While these databases operate under their own domains, every authentication, review submission, or page view logging is verified through our central website, KeysetGo. KeysetGo maintains the centralized users table and issues a secure long-lived token whenever someone logs in. Partner sites call KeysetGo's validation API to confirm that token and, once approved, establish their own session for the user, letting them truly log in once and then browse all three marketplaces, post views, and have their visits tracked without ever re-entering their credentials. Logging out on any site immediately revokes the token and expires all session cookies, logging the user out everywhere at once. This design delivers a seamless experience. And here's a preview of our individual websites. Here's Thuy's Wonder Wonders Travel, which is a travel agency. This is my keyboard store, Keyhaven, and this is Miguel's giant headphone store.
This slide we showing a screenshot of our central website. It's called KeysetGo Marketplace. Let's walk through the key features of our marketplace. First, we implemented a centralized token-based login, allowing users to sign in once and stay authenticated across all partner sites. Second, we track user visits across the entire marketplace, giving us powerful analytics on engagement. Third, user can submit reviews and ratings for any product on any site. Fourth, we showcase the top 5 products on each partner site, helping users find what's trending locally. Finally, we highlight the top 5 products in the marketplace, giving a snapshot of what's popular overall. Beyond the core features, we have added a few extra to enhance our user experience. First, each partner site offers a fancy user interface uniquely tailored to showcase its products in the most intuitive and visually engaging way. Second, we highlight the top 5 highest rated products across the entire marketplace. This list updates regularly based on real customer feedback, ensuring users always see the most trusted and trending option available.
These are the challenges that we face during the creation of a marketplace. Number one, central authentication. So we needed to merge all the users from the three systems and remove all duplicates and preserve the login credentials among the sites and also the marketplace. So we have to also standardize the authentication methods across all sites. And we had to deliver a unified, intuitive login experience and create clear communication to the users. And number two, we had to centralize the databases. So we had to reconcile different data models, schemas, and formats across the three systems. We had to ensure that there was consistency and accuracy during the data migration. We had to establish rules and processes for merging and prioritizing data, and we had to update existing services to interact with the new unified data structure. These are the test cases that we're going to go over. We're going to go over the centralized user registration, user login, adding reviews and ratings to a product, log out, synchronization, see the reviews and ratings, visit individual member sites, see the top 5 most viewed products, the top 5 most visited products in the whole marketplace, display the visits across the marketplace, and lastly, check the highest rated products in the marketplace. So we're going to go over the first test case, which is centralized user registration. So to register to this marketplace, you need to go to the header and there's a register button. You would click register, create a username. So let's call it Miguel 123. We create a password, confirm the password, and then you can add other information as well. You can put your first name, last name, an email. Let me just put an email right here. And then I could register my account. Now that the account has been registered, I can go into the login test case. So now we're going to log in. We have Miguel 123. I put my password and log in. And now it's showing that I'm logged in on the header. It's showing hi, Miguel 123. So that shows that I'm logged in the marketplace. Now, test case number 2 is user login across all member sites. This means that if I'm logged in the marketplace, I'm also logged in each individual site. So let's go to the first site. If we click on it, we can see that we're actually signed in. So we're signed in into this website as well. Let me go back and let's now go into this site. Let's click on it and it's going to show that I'm also logged in. Well, let me go back and go to the last site and it's also going to show that I'm logged in. So that is showing that the user login is being shared across all the member sites. Now we're going to go over test case number 3, which is adding a review and rating to a product. So let me go to this site. We're going to have this site right here. We're going to have some destinations. Let's say I want to rate Vancouver, Canada. This one has no ratings. So let's go into it. So we can see the information right here. We can see everything. And there's no reviews. So we can now set a rating. Say 5 stars. We're going to write a review. Beautiful. Beautiful place to visit. We're going to submit the review. And there's our review. Beautiful place to visit. Now there's the average rating that is also shown on the product itself, which is Vancouver, Canada. So if we go back home, we could actually see the rating here. It's a 5 out of 5. Now, if we would go back to the main marketplace, if we go to the rated section, highest rated in the marketplace, there it is, Vancouver, Canada. So that shows that the rating is working among all of the sites, and also it is showing in the marketplace. And now the last test case that I want to show is the logout functionality. So if I log out of the marketplace, I should be also logged out of the member sites. So let's try that out. Let's log out. Now I'm not logged in anymore. So let's go into one of the member sites. I'm not logged in. Go into the other one. I'm not logged in. Go into the other one. I'm not logged in.
To demonstrate the test case number 5, which is see review and rating from other user. So currently I'm at the central page. We'll go to member site. Then I will click on a product, and below the product detail we can see a review section that all the review here, and the rating also. Try with another member page. So I go back to the central marketplace and I go to another member site. Okay, let's try this product. Yeah, there are two review right here. You can see from two different user. Yeah, and that's it for this test case.
So I'll be showcasing test cases 6 to 8. So 6, visit individual member site using visit site button. So first we'll visit the landing page of our central website. And here we'll find member sites. And here is Wonder Wonders with the visit site button. And we'll click on this. And now we are redirected to Wonder Wonders. And if we go back, we can similarly go to Keyboard Haven. And now we're in Keyboard Haven. And Giant Headphones, we visit site, and we are redirected to the Giant Headphones website. Okay, moving on to 7, see top 5 most visited products or services per site. So if we go back to the landing page, again, we can click on visit site. And in Wonder Wonders, we have to scroll down until we see view top 5 most visited products. And then we'll see the top 5 most visited products in Wonder Wonders. And now we can go back. For Keyboard Haven, again, we visit site. We scroll down until we see view top 5 most visited. And then we'll see the top 5 most visited products on Keyhaven. And finally, if we go back to the landing page again of the main website, Giant Headphones, visit site button, redirected, and now we can click on products, and we can scroll down until we see view top 5 most visited products, and then we can see the top 5 most visited products in Giant Headphones. And also, if we go back to the central website, we can actually see the top 5 most visited products per site in a central location. So here is Wonder Wonders, here is Keyboard Havens, and here is Giant Headphones. And moving on to 8, user visits tracked across the marketplace. So to view this, you actually need to be logged in as a registered user. So right now I am currently logged in. And if I click on my visits, I will see the 10 most recent visits per member site. And here's from Wonder Wonders, Keyboard Haven, and Giant Headphones.
Demonstrate the test case number 9, which is see top 5 most visited products and service in the home marketplace. So currently I'm at the KeysetGo Marketplace website, and we scroll down to the section called top 5 most visited marketplace. You can see here's is the 5 products that are the top 5 most visited products across the whole marketplace. Test case is seeing the top 5 highest rated product or services in the marketplace. So this section just below the top 5 most visited in the marketplace is called top 5 highest rated in the marketplace. Here's the top 5 product that have highest rated across the whole marketplace. And we can see for example here this product have 5-star rating, this one also have 5-star, this one have 5-star, this one have 4-star, and this one have 4.5 star.